today, we not know what they happen. Today, I don't ready. Follow me, man, tell you the story. Today, we dey celebrate a beautiful mother, a kind-hearted mother, a good personality, a wonderful mother, a sweet mother. The best mom in the whole world. Ije noga, Ije nogi, Ije ne moya. Mama we no we pikin the hungry. Mama we know where they pay pikin and when they pay pikin, and mama we know what pikin want. Mommy, today will be your birthday. I want to pray for you. You go live long, You still make it for Bible. You go hold person. The oldest man for Bible, you go hold person. Yes, so you go see your children. How many are going to talk? You go see children's. Now you go retire. You go say, hey, baby, woman, now now you go decide when you want to meet God. Hey, mommy, you go eat the fruit of your labor. Your pikin, you don't go bring disgrace to you. For this your new age, mommy. Hey, now up, you go. All your enemies, when they plan evil for you, evil will swallow them. Evil will kiss them. Evil, see them, he will cover them. God will use one stone. The kind stone where they take Goliath, he will take kill all your enemies. Mommy, the person will say, well, I do this birthday shout out for you. Now no other person. But your lovely daughter, he just called me. See, and my phone be this. He said, hello, MC Freddy, I beg, do video for my golden mommy. Now say, who are me? Who are not going to do video for your mommy? He said, no, because the mommy too, they put smile for my face. Now mommy will deserve better thing. Mommy will they represent for her front. Mommy now front, they go. Life don't smooth for you, you go they smooth they go. Okay, cripple, you not gonna stay your front for journey of life, journey of life, you go they smooth for you. Hey, no be lie. Mommy, enjoy your day. Do shakara, make your enemies for yakata. And this birthday shout out, you not go complete. If I don't dance for you, wait till I give if I don't dance for mommy. Ije no give. You love webe. I go dance for you. And no still forget, I want to talk again, now your daughter. If you see the way they come here, see my phone. He ring. I got tired, see I go people. That's a big message to shout out. Now there you so I ready to go. Mommy, I go dance for you.